Good morning students, God bless you. Welcome to Max class 8th standard. Okay. The last class we have discussed construction of the quadrilateral. In this class we are going to see about construction of trapezium. It's a shape of the trapezium. Okay, the definition of trapezium is a quadrilateral in which pair of opposite sides are parallel. In which pair of opposite sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. Suppose consider this is A, B, C, D means AB is parallel to CD. Okay. And also the non-parallel sides are equal length. These two are equal length. Suppose this is 5 cm, this is also 5 cm. The second property. The pair of non-parallel sides are equal length. Okay. Then the area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square inverse. What is the h? The height of the trapezium is h. Then a plus b. A and b are parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides. Okay. Sum of the parallel sides is multiplying with the height. Then divided by 2, we get the area of the trapezium. Okay, this is the area of the trapezium. Okay. So, if we want to construct the trapezium, we must need 4 independent measures. We need 4 independent measures to construct the trapezium. Okay. Let us construct the trapezium with the given measurement 3 sides and 1 diagonal, and 3 sides and 1 angle, and 2 sides and 2 angles, then 4 sides. In this slide given the measurement how to construct the trapezium. In this class we are going to see about the construction of trapeziums. Okay. Okay, dear student, exercise 5.4, second Roman. Construct the following trapezium with the given measures and also find their area. The first question, AIMS is the shape of the trapezium with AI line segment AI parallel line segment SM. AI is equal to 6 cm, IM is equal to 5 cm, AM is equal to 9 cm, and MS is equal to 6.1 cm. Okay. First draw the rough diagram. The rough diagram is the shape of trapezium. So this is a rough diagram. So namely AIMS. AIMS. So AI is equal to 6 cm. Then IM is equal to 5 cm. Then AM is equal to 9 cm. The diagonal value is given. Then MS is equal to 6.5 cm. Okay. That's all the rough diagram. Then draw the fan diagram. The first step is draw the line segment A is equal to 6 cm. Draw the line segment A is equal to 6 cm. Using the ruler and pencil, draw the line segment 6 cm. Then A and IS center. Draw an arc of AD 9 cm and 5 cm respectively. Let them cut at M. This is the second step. Okay. So now take your compass. You can measure 5 cm. You can measure 5 cm using the ruler. Now put the sharp edge at I and draw the arc of 5 cm. Okay. Then take your compass 9 cm. Measure. Now put the sharp edge at A to construct the another one R. The two are intersecting point is M. Okay. Then join the AM, IM. The IM is equal to 5 cm and AM is equal to 9 cm. Okay. Then the third step, draw MX parallel to AI. Okay, using the set square, so put in this line on here. Okay, then draw the straight line. Okay, so the set square corner point fit on the M. Okay, then draw the straight line. We get MX. Okay, this is a step 3. Draw the MX parallel to AI. Okay, then MS center, draw an arc of radius 6.5 centimeter. Let them cut at MX at S. Okay, use your compass, take and measure 6.5 centimeter. Now put the sharp edge at M to construct the arc intersect MX at S. Okay, then join AS. Take and write the given measure 6.5 centimeter. Okay. So now we get the record trapezium. This is a record trapezium. Okay. Then also want to find the area of the trapezium. The formula is half into h into a plus b square units. Okay. Here a is 6.5 centimeter, b is equal to 6 centimeter, then h is what? Using the set square, draw the height. Okay. So fit on the line AI, here draw the line. Draw the line, this is the height. So measure the length, then use the measure in height, we get the area of the trapezium. That's all the construction of trapezium. Okay, next second question from the second Roman. Cube with CU, line segment CU parallel to line segment ET. CU is equal to 7 centimeter. Angle UCE equal to 80 degree. C is equal to 6 centimeter and T is equal to 5 centimeter. First draw the rough diagram and mark the given measurement. The rough diagram. So namely CUTE. CUTE. And also mark the given measures. C is equal to 7 centimeter and angle C and angle UCE. UCE is 80 degree. Then C is equal to 6 centimeter and T is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. This is a rough diagram. Understood. Then draw the fire diagram as first step. Draw the line segment C is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. Using the ruler and pencil, draw the line segment CU equal to 7 centimeter. Then second step, construct the angle UCX. UCX equal to 80 degree using the protractor. The center as C, make an angle 80 degree. Okay. Draw the ray CX. Okay, this is 80 degree. Then take your compass, take and measure 6 centimeter with the sharp edge at C, construct the arc CX intersecting at E. Okay, this is 6 centimeter. Understood. Third step is CS center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter, let them cut at E. Okay. Next, take your set square, fit on the line CU. Take your set square in this line. Here, put the corner at E. Okay. Then draw the C1. Then draw the EY parallel to CU. Okay. Next, ES center. Draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter. Let it cut T. Okay. Take your compass, take and measure 5 centimeter. Put the sharp edge at E to construct the arc 5 centimeter. The arc intersect EY at T. Okay. Then join UT. We get the regular trapezium. This is 5 centimeter. understood. Then using the set square, the corner around here, fit on the line ET, then draw the height of the trapezium. Okay. Here A is equal to 5 cm, B is equal to 7 cm, and H is equal to measure the length, your length. Okay. Measure the length, then using the formula of into H into A plus B the square units. Okay. Use the formula, we get area of the trapezium. Okay, next third question. Arming with AR, line segment AR parallel to line segment YM. AR is equal to 7 cm, RM is equal to 6.5 cm, angle RAY equal to 100 degree, and angle ARM is equal to 60 degree. First draw the rough diagram, use the given measurement. Draw the rough diagram. So trapezium, one of the trapezium ARMY. ARMY name. Then AR is equal to 7 cm, RM is equal to 6.5 cm. Then RAY equal to 100 degree, and ARM is equal to 60 degree. ARM is equal to 60 degree. Okay, that's all your rough diagram. You understood the rough diagram? Okay. Then draw the fan diagram. Draw the line segment AR is equal to 7 cm. AR is equal to 7 cm. Then construct the angle ARM equal to 60 degree. Okay. Take your protractor to the center as R. Okay. Take a measure 60 degree. Draw the RX. This is RX line. Angle is 60 degree. Okay. Then the same R as center. Draw an arc of radius 6.5 cm. Draw the arc. The arc intersect at RX M. Okay. Use your compass. Take and measure 6.5 cm. Put the sharp edge at the arc. To construct the arc intersect RX M. Okay. This is 6.5 cm. Yeah, understood. Then take your set square. Put in this line here, the corner fit on here. Okay, then draw the straight line. So M is set. Okay, draw the ray M is set. This is parallel to AR. Draw the M is set. Is parallel to AR. Use the set square. Okay, this is your third step. Then consider the angle. This is RAY is 100 degree. Use your protractor. The center as A. Make a measure 100 degree. There. Then construct a ray. This is so here consider this is for P. AP ray. The two rays are intersect at Y. Okay, the two rays are intersect at Y. Okay. Now we get the regular trapezium. Okay. Then draw the height. Okay. Use the set square. Here draw the height. To measure the height value and also measure the my value. The my is equal to A and H. AR is the B. To measure the length of my, taken right here. Then AR is already given. This is 7 cm. Then H is measure the length from the diagram. We get H value. Use this 3 value. Find the area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium formula is half into H into A plus B square units. Use this formula. We get the area of the trapezium. We understood this construction. First draw the line segment A is equal to 7 centimeter. Then make an angle A or M is equal to 60 degree. Then on a center, draw the arc of radius 6.5 centimeter. Let it cut M. Then use the set square. Construct the ray M is a. Okay. Then make an angle RAY 100 degree. 100 degree. The two rays are intersect at Y. Okay. So now we get the rectangular trapezium. Understood. Okay. Next fourth question. City with line segment CI parallel to line segment YT. CI is equal to 7 centimeter. IT is equal to 5.5 centimeter. TY is equal to 4 centimeter. And YC is equal to 6 centimeter. So draw the up diagram and mark the given measurement. The rough diagram. This is the rough diagram. The name of the trapezium is CI TY. Now also mark the given measurement. CI is equal to 7 centimeter and IT is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Then TY is equal to 4 centimeter. Then YC is equal to 6 centimeter. That's all the rough diagram. Then draw the fair diagram. Draw the line segment CI 7 centimeter. Okay, using the ruler, draw the line segment CI is equal to 7 centimeter. Mark a point A on CI such that CA is equal to 4 centimeter. Now, 4 centimeter. This is A means CA is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. First step is draw the line segment CA is equal to 7 centimeter. Then mark a point ACI. Then mark a point A on CI such that CA is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Then A and IS center draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter. Let them cut at T. Take your compass, take and measure 5.5 centimeter. Put the sharp edge at I to construct the R. Then the pair of opposite sides are equal in the trapezium. So 6 centimeter is equal to the line of AT. Okay. So now take your compass, measure is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter measure in your compass. Put the sharp edge at A to construct the R. The R intersects the previous R at T. Okay. Then join AT and IT. Okay. C and T as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. Let them cut at Y. Okay, this is our third step. Okay, use your compass, take and measure 4 centimeter. Put the sharp edge at T to construct the R. Then use your compass, take and measure 6 centimeter. Put the sharp edge at C to construct the arc 6 centimeter. The two arcs are intersect at Y. Then join YT and YC. Also write the measurements. 6.5. This is also write the given measurements. This is 6 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Then 5.5 centimeter. This is equal to this value, the 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we get the rectangular trapezium. Okay. Use the set square. Here draw the height. Okay. Fit on the line TY. Then draw the height. Okay. Then the A here A is equal to 4 centimeter, B is equal to 7 centimeter, and height is your length. This is equal to the area of the trapezium of into H into A plus B square units. So apply the value here, we get the area of the trapezium. Have you understood the diagram? Okay. Okay, dear student, today's homework. So the 4 questions write in your fair note. Okay, and also write the construction, refer your exams. Thank you. God bless you.